Well, apologies if it's a little bit noisy here. All the lorries have just come back in to picket. They'll be doing this 3 times a day. The strike is officially back on, so they'll be congregating here at 7, at 10:30 and at 1 o'clock. And I've just been speaking to refuse workers who say that some people in Birmingham may have to wait 7 weeks between bin collections. That's going to be pretty nasty if that happens to you around Christmas. Now, I'm joined by Richard Beddoes, who you're a driver and you're also a member of the Unite Union.
Yes.
Now, many people at home will be thinking, how on earth can you justify this over Christmas time?
Well, the strike runs until the 21st September, potentially be reballoting our members to continue the action past that date. But basically, the deal was brokered between the senior union officials and the members of the council, and now the redundancy letters have been sent out to the grade 3s, and the penultimate decision on the final decision on the approval has been put back to the 13th.
How important are those grade 3 workers?
Fundamentally, they are between 10 and 25 years experience apiece. Their supervisory health and safety aspects on the back of the vehicle is paramount. The loss of these individuals delivering that service could have massive health and safety implications, potentially in the future.
OK, well, thank you very much, Richard. The council says it needs to make a more efficient and more affordable programme. But as you can see here, the fight is far from over, and it's probably going to get very dirty indeed.